Okay, this is the part 2 of installing and using a font for Pixlr, and I am at the point where I have previously installed the font. Go back to video part 1 if you are not familiar with that, but I just want to show you very quickly that the font is indeed there. Remember that I installed a font called Kimi Retro, and so I'm going to use my type tool and go ahead and type that in, and now I'm going to click on the scroll down and find, there it is, Kim Retro, and I'm going to click on OK, and there it is. I can make it a larger size if I want to, and click OK. So that's all there is to this particular video. All it did was just show you that once I restarted the browser, the font is there. I will see you in other videos.